Here's my Celtic Diamond Decoration, and I wanted to show you how I joined it so that it could be double-sided and you could hang it somewhere where people can see both sides. And I think this is just kind of easier to see on a video than in a photo. If you look at the wrong side of both of the motifs, you will see these green dashes right along here, and those are created by the green slip stitch edging. And then you see these green loops along the outer edge right here, and that's the back loop of your slip stitch edging. So we have two lines of green loops, and in between there are these blue loops. See those here? And that's just what's left after working into the top of these stitches of the cord. So we're going to join these blue stitches to these blue stitches on the other side, because all of the edges will have those two rows of green and then the blue in the middle. Now, of course, if you use different colors, you would still see the difference like this. So you would see your main color, for me it's blue, in the center of your edging color, for me it's green. You'll have two lines of the edging. So we're going to work into those loops, and we're going to use the same color as the loops and the cords. It's very easy to do it, and you're just going to put you put your needle through one side and then through the other and pull it closed. One side, then the other, and this is a whip stitch, and this will close it up. Now, before I did this step, I hot glued the center square this much. I hot glued together so everything lined up, and then you can do the same thing along all the points if you like. You can hot glue these points together, but you'll find that this stitching works really well, and it's kind of invisible because you're using all the same color. Now, I guess you could use a contrasting color if you'd like. Not sure what it would look like with the other color in there, but that's what it does. It kind of looks like we added on a strip of crochet, but we're not. We're just sewing it together using the yarn. So you'll want to do that around the whole edge to finish it off.